Hey, it's Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they play out live. A couple quick clarifications. Number one, I am trading futures. If you don't know what futures are, I'll put a link down below to a totally free 4-part series that'll walk you through the futures market and how it all works. One little thing that maybe gets you interested is zero pattern day trading rule. So if you, kind of get stuck in the world of stocks or options with that, you don't have to worry about that rule at all. And then second, I am trading futures through a prop firm. What is a prop firm? How does a prop firm work? Which prop firm am I using? All that can be found up at the link at the top of the screen. It's also in the description area. But in a nutshell, a prop firm is a way for you to have very little of your own capital at risk, but you have a whole lot of upside potential. So if that sounds like something that could be of value to you, then definitely check that out. So already made one trade so far. That's the other thing about the futures market is it's open up pretty much around the clock. So this was from a previous time before the video software got, or before I started recording the video, before I started recording the screen. There we go. Maybe I should not trade because apparently my brain isn't really working. But anyway, so yeah, starting up slightly green on the day, but we'll see what else I can find. Was actually thinking and watching for potential breakout up through this area here, but as I talked, this thing just continued to pull back. So I'm going to have to probably reassess that situation. Maybe pull back here, but I'll pause for now and I'll be back as soon as I find a potential trade. Okay, looking to buy at that green line. I'm in. And out there, just want to get a quick scalp on it. Very good. So if you blinked, you missed it. But yeah, futures are pretty awesome. Up 820 on that one. Wow, glad I took it out. Went right back down. All right, I'll keep an eye on it. Let's see what else I can find. Okay, going to switch up the contracts here a little bit and try some MNQs. Too slow on that one. Pretty quick. I probably just get away with starting with. Let's try two, and if I need to build, I can do that. And I've switched the contract type. So same chart that I'm trading. However, these contracts just move a little bit slower P&L wise. So yes, if I'm right, I'll be regretful because I'll be able to say, I could have made so much more. But if I'm wrong, I'll be glad because I'll say, well, good. I'm glad, that loss was a lot smaller than what it could have been. Let's see if this thing wants to get a bounce up or not. All right, I will pause and I'll let this thing kind of chop around here a little bit and see if it wants to give me a better idea of what direction it wants to go. Okay, looking to get short at the red line here if it wants to come back down. Okay, I'm short. And started small. Okay, out there for a bit of a scalp. I will pause. All right, so just one of the other cool things about prop firms is you can have multiple accounts, which can lead to copy trading. And I mean, there's just so many cool things you can do. But for sake of this, there are multiple accounts, and I use multiple accounts. So if you notice the numbers down here changed, that is because I'm now on a different account. And this, again, is because of the market being open essentially around the clock. This was from before, I ever had the software set up to record the video. So on this one, I am doing, some overall just risk control in the sense of I want to protect these gains. I'll still trade this account, but I'm now not going to any longer use NQ contracts because NQ contracts add up much quicker. But I'll make some here with the MNQ. Again, same thing. If I'm right, I will complain. I should have used NQ because I would have made way more. But if I'm wrong, I'll be very happy because, with the loss will not be nearly as big as it would have been. But like I said, in the spirit of kind of risk control, risk management, I'm willing to give back some of those gains, but by using the, MNQ, it will be a, more ideal situation. All right, let's see if we can get a short there at the red line. If it comes back down, we'll look for a short. If you're a beginner, short means I would then want to see the price keep on coming down. So yes, believe it or not, in the market, you can make money when values go down. That is known as shorting or going short. But as of now, this thing keeps going up. So I'll go ahead and cancel that out. But all right, I will pause. All right, I'm looking to potentially play this trendline breakout here. Kind of have a double whammy. I'm in. Maybe a little early. Maybe it doesn't break out at all. Added some more to it. These are some of my take profit orders, just trying to, in case it pops up, be able to lock in some gains. Assuming it wants to pop up, I don't want to talk about like, because I'm recording this right now, so I don't know what's happening next. That's what I mean by live. This is heat of the moment. This is not a voiceover, so I don't want to come across as though I know it's going to pop up, because I don't. I'm hoping. That'd be great. I like the setup. I'm trying to trust it here. It's making me be patient right now. Come on, come on, come on. There we go. Got that one hit. Got that one hit. Go up there. Stretch, 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 stretch. All right. Got 4 left. So let's do this now. I'll put my stop here. There we go. Got that one. I gotta get this line out of the way. There we go. All right. Let's see. I got 3 left. So let's put my stop right here now. Then I'll just drag my stop up as it goes. Actually, let's give a little more wiggle room. Let's put out 1 up here in case it wants to reach up for here. Take me out right there. But either way, this will be a green trade. Just a question right now of how big of a green trade, because I don't know how high this up will go. Therefore, logic says I don't know how much money I'll make on it. So this is what I call the sweet spot of trading. My only unknown, my only stress, my only worry is how much money am I going to make? Not if I make money, but how much? There we go. Got that one hit. Stop right there. Let's I don't know. Let's throw one up here. Let's see if it wants to come up here and read it. So this is now one where I officially wish I would have done NQ, not MNQ. I'm very upset that I did MNQ. I'm saying this jokingly because, yes, I am saying all this in hindsight now. But we'll see if we can get this thing to stretch up here a little bit more. But again, this is a great spot to be in. There is not well, I guess there is a shred of stress, but the stress is like a good one, like an anticipated one. Like, how much am I actually going to make? No, because I don't know how much I'm going to make. I do know I'm going to make money. I just don't know how much. So truly, if you've never been here as a trader, aim to get to the sweet spot of trading. I promise it won't let you down. You will enjoy it quite a bit. Well, I will pause for now, and if it looks like I'm either going to get stopped out or if it looks like it's going to come up here and hit this next target, I'll get the video rolling. But I'm in the sweet spot now, and like I said, I'll keep you posted on how it continues to go. Okay, maybe going to get up there. We'll see if we can stretch, 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 stretch. Oh, don't. Come on. Oh, don't do me like, come on now. All right, I am going to move this up now to... So now worst case scenario, I'm making about 50 points on this one. Yeah, 80, about 40 points. So worst case, making 40 points on these final 2 contracts. I'm not going to complain about that. That's pretty nice. Although that's kind of annoying that it got that close to hitting me and then didn't. Oh, well. Well, there we go. Very nice trade right there. Can't complain about that. And, you know, I'm going to call it good. I'm quite happy with those results. Right here, sometimes you got to be patient, so I did have to be patient, but eventually got it, and it worked out just fine. Before I go, though, I do want to invite you to get signed up for this free live online webinar that I am offering. So if you are a beginner trader, maybe you're struggling in your journey, very, very confident that this class will give you some things to focus on and consider. If you are a battle-hardened veteran with a rock-solid strategy, you are welcome to attend, but my confidence level drops down quite a bit Not quite sure if you'll really walk away with anything. You might, but like I said, my confidence level is just lower. But in the category of beginner trader or somebody that's struggling, very, very confident in those categories. So definitely get signed up. Go to claytrader.com/live or check out the link in the description area to learn when the next live class is. So thanks for hanging out. Make sure you hit that like button, and I'll see you back in the next one.